We're here at the intersection of Belvedere and the Plaza. On the Plaza, we have a separated bike lane, and there are a few unique features at the signalized intersections along this corridor. When you pull up to the signalized intersections, you'll notice that there are lean bars for bikes. So when you're on a red light, you'll stop at the stop bar. You can take your foot off your pedals, rest it on the footrest, and also put your hand on the handrail to wait until the cycle turns green. You'll also notice that we have green skip markings through the intersection. That's to guide bike riders through the separated bike lane. If you'd like to make a left turn, you do not need to merge out of the separated bike lane. Continue straight through the intersection and use the two-stage turn box to make your left turn. You'll stop in the two-stage turn box and wait for the opposing traffic signal to turn green. When it turns green, you will continue through the intersection. As you're riding around town, you'll notice we have many different types of bike lanes. We have standard bike lanes, one-way separated bike lanes, and then we also have two-way separated bike lanes known as cycle tracks. When you're riding in a cycle track, make sure to ride to the right of the yellow dashed center line. That way, when you pass opposing riders, everyone has their space. Along some of our separated bike lanes, you'll notice that we have special bicycle signals to facilitate bike movements through the intersection. When a bike signal is present, you will see a pavement marking on the road that lets you know where to stop your bike so that you'll be detected by the traffic signal. Wait there until the bike signal turns green. Once the bike signal turns green, proceed into the intersection. The bike signal will turn yellow when your phase is almost out, and it will turn red when your phase is done. When riding in a shared lane with motor vehicle traffic, make sure to ride in the center of the lane so you're visible to cars, and also riding out of the door zone. If cars are parked on the edge of the roadway, those doors will open about 4 to 5 feet if someone's getting in or out of their car. So make sure to ride in the center of the lane 4 to 5 feet away from parked cars so you're not in the door zone. On many of the shared streets in Charlotte, if it's along a bike route, you'll see shared lane markings placed in the center of the street. This is to help bicyclists remember to ride in the center of the street and not in the door zone.